These are my current Tomica TLV Mazda 787B collection. The iconic 91 Le Mans race winner is definitely my favorite, and today a new casting is going to join the family, and that's the 787B from the All Japan Sports Car Championship. On first look, many may have confused this casting with the very first Le Mans winner because of their color scheme. I really like all the watercolor illustration on the box. It's very nice, it makes it look so unique as compared with the rest of the TLV. And behind you will see the short bio of the All Japan Sports Car Championship 787B. And when you flip open the cover, you will see the actual casting, and you will notice that they are in reverse color. Wow, it's impressive. Just like the rest of the 787B, it comes in 3 parts, with a separate antenna that comes along with the casting. Details wise, it's equally impressive as compared with the 91 Le Mans winner. The paintwork is fantastic, it's very premium. I'm very glad that the side mirror comes along with the casting. It comes with a high price tag of close to 8,000 yen, but I think for all the details, it's definitely worth it. All the liveries and sponsored logo are accurately printed. And what I like most is the wheel set. It looks ultra realistic, just like the real thing. The 2 covers are removable. Just to take note, the covers are fitted very loosely. There's no catch or whatsoever. I think TLV did this as not to compromise realism, so be careful not to drop it. And just like the rest of the 787B, the interior is impressive and ultra realistic. And if you compare this All Japan Sports Car Championship with the 91 Le Mans winner, the difference is clear. The livery is reversed and it's very interesting. Also, the Le Mans winner has the headlights, while the other doesn't. I'm very happy to hold this iconic pair of 787B. They make a great pair, and they will definitely stand out in diecast photography. Although damaging to the wallet, the 787B is a very nice series by TLV. This is the series I'm very impressed because of its incredible details and its removable parts. More TLV unboxing videos coming, and stay tuned to this channel. This Tarmac Works Porsche RWB 930 is a random giveaway to my subscribers who actively comment, like and share my videos in this channel. I will pick the lucky subscriber in the beginning of 2020. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!